You can forget about takeout. In this video, we firing up the real flavor. And I'm gonna show you how to make some of the best chicken fried rice right at home. It's easy to make and definitely hit harder than takeout. First thing we're gonna do is get the chicken cooked. Now I'm using chicken thighs that I've allowed to sit here 20 minutes and velvetize. Got a little baking soda, soy sauce, cornstarch to velvetize the chicken. It makes it tenderize and of course, more flavor. So we're gonna take it right here. Shout out to Captain Matt on his grill that I'm using. And we're gonna sear up these chicken thighs so they're nice and juicy and tender before we make this fried rice. Now a good rule to searing is do not touch it. It's gonna be tempted to touch. So I've had these chicken thighs sitting up here for maybe 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna lift one up and that's what you want. You want that nice char on the back of it, but I'm gonna leave it down. I like to do about 3.5 minutes per side. Then we're gonna flip it over and do the same thing. Now we're gonna flavor up the rice later, but it would not hurt to add a little more flavor to your chicken, so I throw in a little bit of salt and cracked pepper just across the top. Now we're ready to turn this over. Look at that, and let it cook on the other side. Now what I like to do is add a little bit of butter on top of that chicken. There we go. And as you got the chicken all done, we're gonna cut this up, smaller pieces, and we're gonna get to work on the rice. Now as for the rice, what I like to use, as most of you know, is day-old rice. Cook it the night before, it's nice and firm, and it makes for better fried rice. All right, I like to make a well in the middle of the rice. Just pour a little bit of oil in that circle. Take that egg, black pepper in there. Oh, I gotta put some salt in there. And you just mix that up. Now we're gonna throw a little bit of them vegetables in there. There we go. And of course, butter. You can't have fried rice without a lot of butter. Now I like to take some fresh garlic and throw it in there. I don't like to do it too early because the garlic will burn. So now that the rice is almost done to my liking, I put it in. Because you want that fragrance of that garlic. I also throw in a little ginger paste because that smells and tastes so good. Now we need 3 essentials. You need a little bit of hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, a little bit of soy, not too much, and a little bit of dark soy sauce because I like the flavor. Oh yeah. Now all that chicken you cut up, now you want to drip that off. And the hardest decision always is which bowl do you eat, right? Because you could easily take one bowl, as I like to do, take some fresh yum yum and just drip it. Just like that. Ah, look at that. So you got one chicken fried rice regular, you got one chicken fried rice with your yum yum. Always remember, if you like what you see that's cooking, don't forget to run to the subscribe button, leave a comment, and share it with a friend.